subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new smartphone under Note series globally called Redmi Note 11 Pro in both 4G and 5G versions. Both of these devices looks quite identical, but it has some difference in terms of specifications, and notably, it is also different from the Chinese version that was launched in October last year. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, coupled with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular model at the top left corner that includes a 108MP main camera with ISOCELL HM2 sensor plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 118° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 67W turbocharging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with dual stereo speakers for better audio experience, and it also includes liquid cooling technology to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, 12-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.19 by 79.1 by 8.12mm, and it weighs around 202 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G has been priced globally for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at $329, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at $349, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at $379. The smartphone is reported to be available from February this year in Polar White, Graphite Grey, and Atlantic Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.